Okay, update. I started building the thing in here. I put in my Grim Bushcraft card and the Spirit Defense card because let me tell you why. Because I feel these two will go together. Because you don't have to go, okay, in a post-apocalypse, you're like, okay, I could use one for this, like one for suturing, one for whatever. These already have sutures. This has a knife, so I'm able to do some cutting. And I feel this goes with, where to go? There we go, if I can run it. And I feel some of the stuff goes with this, yeah. And I could sharpen whatever with the file. Can someone tell me? Because it says, I think it says fold. No, bend. What is this supposed to do for the bending? Someone tell me. But yeah, I feel all three of these go together. Honestly, that's why these are the main ones. So yeah. Also, I am planning to do a few more small little 10s. I have one that I already ate the rest of the mints from. I have 4 more to get through. Yes, they're really good addictive mints. But yeah, what do you think about this? Like the combo of all three. Well, think. Primitive hunting. I'm able to defend myself and have a few arrows. I can fish. I can repair. I can do whatever. I can suture myself. I'm thinking of actually doing a few of the cards for the I can't think of what it is. No. Ready, man? The suturing. I could do for this one. I'm probably gonna get like 1 or 2 more 10s because I like at least one more 10 or whatever of these. Because I feel like I should be having another one just to get, shelter, right? That's something I haven't had. Now, I've actually thought about all of this, right? And this is my go-to card. This is an EDC card, so I was like, you know what? Let me put it in here, because I feel these two go together, and then with this, all three of these are a good combo. So yeah, what do y'all think? And y'all can probably tell that I have actually thought about this, because I feel okay if I have to catch something to eat in a post-apocalypse, I'm gonna do it primitively, right? I'm gonna use this to do whatever, and basically, I've definitely had time to think about this. This is why it's been taking a little bit too long, for my liking, honestly. But that's okay, because I figured, you know what? I have this one. I always said, I might as well do this one, right? I'm gonna get one or two more, so I can have, shelter and all that. So yeah. Anyway, peace.